The Bagger 293, lost at 180 feet after the barge failed. This is the largest recovery in naval history, T-minus 72 hours. Copy. Systems check complete. Bridge to deck. GPS marks us 200 miles from salvage site. Weather radar clear. Deck here. Winches and hydraulics check complete. Roger. Sonar depths nominal. Maintain 12 knots.
Orbit's arc! Quick disengage! Hold position!
Streams are blank, waiting on first ping. Bridge. Sonar active. Sweep commencing. Confirm. Bagger 293 located. Length approximately 740 feet. Copy that. Stand by for orders. ROV systems check complete. Launch zone clear. Cameras and arms tested. Zone clear. Attach the attached tether. Commence lift. Tether secured. Lifting now. Surface brake. Descent initiated. Depth 50 feet. Umbilical payout synced. No tangles. Thrusters pulsing. Depth now 75 feet. Sonar active. Target profile emerging. Approaching the bucket wheel. Documenting angles now. Tapping the bucket. Watch for vibrations. Checking the hub and boom attachments. Data streaming. Ready for lift calcs. My God, there it is. Copy bridge. Positive ID on Bagger 293. Confirmed. We have the giant. Descending under the chassis. Watch for tight beams. Copy that. Hydraulic lines are ruptured here. Marking lift point on the frame. GPS cords logged. Confirmed. Continuing survey. Following the boom length now. Belt housing is visible tears. Support trusses are collapsed. Zooming to connection joints. Lasers active for measurements. Data logged. Ready for lift sequence. Damn, suction's holding it tight. Penetration's deeper than expected. Relay to engineers. Counterweight has shifted. Lift geometry is compromised. ROV, proceed to the cabin side windows. We need a close-up on the interior flooding. Copy that. Moving in now. Look at the panels. They're completely loose. The seats are torn free. The framework is buckled. Mark the main supports for stabilization. Damn, suction's forming. Watch that base. Relaying to engineers. Depth is 8 meters. Shifting position. Complication. Counterweight shifted. Update the lift geometry. The Bagger 293's main boom is our priority. We start with the 6-point rigging. Agreed, but the counterweight is the challenge. We need to simulate the load distribution. Cranes can handle it, but we need precise sequencing. No room for error. Depth at 2.5 meters. Pushing through silt layer. Okay, data is live. Density is 1.45. Shear strength 25 kPa. Moderate risk. We'll need jetting to break the suction. We're rigging the Bagger 293 at 180 feet. Teams of 2, surface air. Check comms, regulators, and cutters. Decompression pros are critical. Hull signals. 6-hour rotation, 45-minute swap. Comms check. Good to go. Stay sharp. Let's move.
Hose is secure. Comms check.
Ready on the left.
Ready on the right. Staying lower. They stay good. Visibility dropping. Watching thermocline.
Proceed to the first rigging point. It's marked on the beam ahead. Copy that. Moving to the beam. Rigging line is out. Approaching the target. Thread the rope through the opening. Got it. Pin's giving me trouble. Use the torque wrench now. Solid. Ready for the next point. 38 minutes bottom time. Proceed to third point on counterweight. Copy. Bracket is scrubbed. Attaching shackle. Shackle secured. Moving to third point. Acknowledge. Proceed with caution. Watch your comms. Narcosis risk is high. Acknowledge. Threading now. It's tight. Shackle secured. Heavy work. Copy. Ascend to stage for rotation. Bottom time at 63. First team, 17 minutes at 20 feet. Second team, report depth. Copy, descending to 30 feet. First team, approaching 10 feet. Monitor computers. Copy, ascending. Second team, bottom time check. Good pace, team. Fourth point looks solid. Climbing to 5 now. Current is pushing. 4 secured. Moving to assist. Confirmed. Rigging is 83% complete. Steady, team. You're almost there. Final rigging point secure. All 6 attachments complete and verified.
Captain 1, haul away. Line 1 clear. Guide to hook. Shackle secured. Inspect preparation sensors. Line 2 tensioning. Watch the load.
Operate all 1. Cabin check complete. Hydraulic screen. Cable Spectre 2 confirms. All systems ready. All station. Load cells 0. Rigging lines are slack. Captain confirms. Proceed with countdown. Apply tension. Millimeter precision. Roger. 5 tons per line.
Aye.
Load is even. Proceed.
Pressure at 5,000 psi. Jets active. Plumes forming. Visibility dropping. Sediment density rising. Suction breaking. Pressure shift confirmed. It's lifting. Resume tension increase. 400 tons. 500. 600. Silence. Hold steady. Distribution is even. Increase to 800.
Hold at 5 meters. Assess stability. Stress level stable. No hotspots on spreaders. Resume ascent. 0.5 meters per minute. Tilt is 8 degrees, within parameters, corrected surface. Steady lift speed, monitoring currents. Fish scattering, bucket wheel turning slightly. Passing 40 meters, ascent steady.
Breaking through!
Discharge boom is clear, water's pouring off. Slowing 0.2 meters,
Got it on video.
Keep right, sir! It's fully clear! What a monster!
Outstanding work, team. Congratulations.
P-O! P-O-O! Steady, steady! P-O! P-O-O! Hold position!
Counterweight down. Stable. Proceed.
Wheel assembly down. Chassis settling. Load transfer confirmed. Chains holding tight on the excavator.
Weather update. Storm system developing. Adjust course.
Copy that. Heading to the next check. The Titan lifter approaches Mobile with the Bagger 293, drawing huge crowds.
Titan lifter. Proceed to heavy lift dock. Tug flank.
An unprecedented sight, the largest excavator back from the sea.
Line secured! Section of the metal line!
What's the timeline for offloading?
Check the cribbing alignment. Check the cribbing alignment.
We'll use two 500-ton cranes in tandem. This is the lift point and transfer path. How do we handle the load distribution? We're recalculating that now. And hand signals? Communication first. Plan approved. Let's go.
Radio check. Confirm positions. Crane 1, position locked. Crane 2, all green. Sling secured. Moving dispersed. Lasers clear. Safety zones active. Evacuate area.
Pins threading clean. No resistance. Good. Check for kinks on the sling. Hooks down. Shackling now. Load cell secure. Photo taken. Next point. Final check. Lift test ready. Load at 50 tons. Confirmed. 50 tons. 100 tons holding steady. 200 tons distribution balanced. Load stabilized at 70 tons. Hold steady. Lines taut.
Lifting clear. Speed matched.
Swinging right. Control the arc.
Over dock. Cradle aligned. Shore transfer complete.
Get these chains threaded now! Tensioning sequence initiated. Center of gravity confirmed stable. Final tension, lock it down. All secured, good work. Lines clear, convoy proceed!
Intersection secured. Moving to next block. Live from above, the Bagger 293 continues its historic journey.
Trailer in position, commence lift. Jacks engaged, clear the area. Cradle assembly proceeding, monitor alignment. Excavator stable, begin securing. Hit it harder! Get that wheel clean! Watch the runoff! Flooding fast! Next bucket! Keep the pressure up! Okay, logging the bucket wheel. 3 buckets crushed, shaft bent.
Corrosion loss is significant here.
Photograph best now for the database. Good. We'll review all tags back at base. Let's review the FEA. Red zones need immediate attention.
The bucket wheel shows the most deformation.
We can run parallel paths for systems. Agreed. Phase 1 is stabilization. We'll need 200 workers. Paw 10 feet, center brace.
Copy, aligning now.
Hold steady, welding. Mark clear, next joint. Okay, we've mapped the deformation. Initiate the first pass. Chips are flying clean. Coolant pressure is good. It's in the furnace now. Stress relief is underway. Polishing complete. Final measurement 0.01 inches. Welders, check the upper joints. We're behind on that section. Copy that. We're on it. Mechanics, report on the hydraulics. Pumps are aligned. Seals are next. Rod has minor scoring. We'll get this re-chromed. Seals are worn. Installing new ones now. Almost done. This one's ready for the test stand. This pad is cracked. Scrap it. Roller is clean. Ready for the bearing press. Torque is set. Moving to the next bolt. Okay, stripping this control wire for the relay now. Inserting into the terminal. tightening it down securely. Now testing for continuity. Beep means good. Cabin transformation complete, modernized, safe, and ready. Cabin transformation complete, modernized, safe, and ready. This one's within tolerance. Race is clean, no spalling. Grease is packed evenly. Rotation is smooth. Commence pressure cycle 1, monitor strain. Stress level stable, continue heating. Final cycle complete, within tolerances. Liner plates installed, this will handle the abrasion. Bracing and impact rollers are set, ready for the test run. Listen to that smooth operation, chute geometry is spot on.
All points covered and verified. System is operational.
Fiber optic cable installation complete, testing connectivity. Radio test transmission, ground to operator, do you copy? Camera systems power running, diagnostics lenses, all systems green.
Team 2, report status on boom section.
Blasting complete, moving to primer.
Copy that, lift repositioning.
Gauge confirms 3 mils, recoat needed here. Coverage is perfect on this yellow top coat. Stencils on, numbers and flags are sharp. Deep blue on the chassis looks great. The whole thing looks brand new. Energizing motor 1, direction correct, sound quality good.
Vibration looks stable, no bearing issues.
Thermal shows a hot spot, 112 degrees.
Current draws within spec, it's fine.
Confirmed, tagging it as operational. No leaks here. Pressure holding steady. Valve shifting fine. Minor leak on this fitting. Tightened, no drift now. Discharge boom conveyor online. Belt is tracking perfectly. Transfer conveyor synced. Sand is moving. Main conveyor operational. All systems green. Drive engaged. Motors are green. Tracks are gripping. She's moving. Initiating turn. Steering is responsive. Alignment is perfect. No drift. Bringing her to a stop. Slew drive engaged. Boom rotation starting. Torque readings are stable. Within limits. Look at that smooth rotation. Worked better than original. Brakes applied. Motion stopped. Certification complete. All systems are go. Power is steady at 16.5 megawatts. Confirmed. Hydraulics and temperatures are nominal. Operation is at that. The integration is successful. Excellent. Banger 293 is ready for field deployment. Applying 125% load to boom connection. Stress holding at 1562 microstrain. No deformation. Wheel rotation stable under simulated load. Unloading complete. All sections passed. No cracks. Welds are clean and documented. Electrical systems are code compliant. Hydraulics are clean and assembled properly. Mechanical systems are installed correctly. All clear. Signing the final certification. Thank you 200 workers for over 500,000 hours restoring this giant. For key contributors, awards and bonuses. This plaque honors your legacy. Now, on to deployment. Grease reservoir topped off. Running the circulated purge air. Gear reducer level is good. Documenting it. All systems filled and tested. Baseline complete. Hydraulic hoses and electrical components stocked in this locker. Toolkits positioned at strategic locations for field maintenance. Safety equipment inspected. Portable lights and consumables loaded. All set. This controls the bucket wheel speed. Set it to 6 RPM. Okay, 6. What's next? Good. Now start the conveyor. Watch the interlock. Alarm. Acknowledge it and initiate shutdown. Excellent. That's a pass.
Remember, always isolate the system before starting.
Understood. What's the first diagnostic step?
Check the error codes, then test the sensors.
Grease is done. No leaks.
We're clear. Bridge ahead. Checking clearance.
Got it. Slowing down.
13.5 feet. It's tight. Marking it. Dispatch, we have a tight clearance. Checking alternatives.
Call.
Next turn is narrow.
Convoy rolling. Copy that lead. Rolling out. All units maintain formation. Police lead, proceed. Affirmative, convoy. Clear ahead.
Whoa, look at the size of that thing!
Convoy to escorts approaching bridge. Clear ahead. Escorts to convoy. All clear. Proceed.
There it is, the Bagger 293 convoy. Welcome to the Montana. We've been waiting.
Convoy lead. Proceed to pad 3 for parking.
Look at the size of that boom section. All right, lowering the section. Guide it steady.
Tagline's taut. Line out.
Contact. Proceed to bolting.
Bolts tension. Electrical's next.
Good work. Section secured.
Easy now, guide her steady.
Aligning interfaces, shaft is clear.
Electrical's hot, hydraulics is within spec.
Milestone complete.
Great work, team!
Hydraulics pressurized, no leaks. Electricals energized, volts.
Drive motors test run.
Bucket wheel at speed, vibrations and temps nominal.
Conveyors and slew verified.
Operator, adjust your heading, 10 degrees right.
Copy. Turning now.
Extend the boom, reach the scene. Boom extending, positioning. Perfect alignment, you're clear to begin. Wheel load is optimal, engaging conveyors. All parameters within limits, excellent performance.
Operator to ground. Wheel is cutting clean. Track advance confirmed. Tech to operator. Bearings greased. Systems nominal. Copy that. Throughput is 8 density. Acknowledged. Outstanding performance.
Lube points are good, moving on. Curve outlets look clean. Electrical connections are tight. Production is up 12%, energy is down 15%. The upgrades are working.
Impressive. The maintenance dashboard is clear too. No
The
alerts.
data will justify more restoration funding.
Definitely. The investment paid off.
Preheating hydraulics before the shift. Fluids are operating viscosity. Cab's warm. Conveyors are flexible, no cracking. Clearing snow buildup. Winter schedule is on track.
After 1 year, Bagger 293 has exceeded expectations. Availability is 90%.
Server than projected.
Excellent. The next secures federation Katnichris. Congratulations. Hey.
Bagger 293 advancing. Overburden removal on schedule. Copy. Dozers repositioning. Haul trucks en route. Excavators loading coal. Seam conveyors clear. Plant feed steady.
The Bagger 293 has created 40 new jobs. It's a game changer.
This mine's property tax phone roads.
We're supplying materials. We're adding a book program to train operators for the mine. Disassembly complete, wear within spec. New teeth installed, proceeding to reassembly. Hydraulics and controls updated, no issues. Returning to operation on schedule.
Attention all personnel. Mega set had the record. 8.2 million cubic meters of overburden. Proud to be part of this crew. World-class performance.
Seam tracking is locked in, throughput is climbing, conveyor speed auto-adjusting, energy use down. Track advance is smooth, all systems optimal, ready for continuous run. Water systems are active, air quality is stable and well within limits. The vegetative barriers are containing any fugitive dust. This proves large-scale operations can meet environmental standards. This is the Bagger 293, it's your classroom now.
Incredible. How do we start?
Safety first, then hands-on inspection. Like this, checking the bolts. Perfect, you're catching on fast.
This is a real opportunity.
Look at this profile, we can optimize the bucket wheel speed here.
Good idea. That should cut power use.
Adjusting conveyor tracking now, this will reduce wear. Results are in, and 15% less energy gain.
Lightning's active. Systems are holding steady. Copy. Drainage is managing the rain. Wind gusts are high, but we're stable. Affirmative. Bagger 293 is built for this. No interruptions.
4 years after restoration, the Bagger 293 has delivered sustained, high-performance operation, generating over $400 million in value, proving restoration can yield exceptional returns. With proven success, plans ensure 15-20 more years of Bagger to new cartridges. We're transferring next generation.
University Galdos supplies change.
A multi-generational asset. For technical excellence, this award. Thank you. This honors our team's dedication.
Our restoration extended the machine's life. Truly impressive scale and innovation.
The Bagger 293 project created $300 million in value, far less than the $450 million for new equipment. It generates $12 million in annual savings and adds. This 5-year milestone is thanks to proactive maintenance and our strong safety culture.
Interlocks engaged. All systems are clear for safe operation.
These vibration trends show bearing wear. The oceanography found hotspots and ultrasound detected cracks. Perfect. We can replace the bearing now. This predictive approach cuts downtime by 60%. Control systems green, dig rate holding at 4,500 tons per hour. Maintenance checks complete, all systems operational for the next cycle. Conveyor at optimal controls active, no alerts.
Wheel speed steady at 4.2. Throughput holding at 240K.
Copy, inspecting boom hydraulics now.
Confirmed. Night output at 98% day. Keep it rolling.
Base Bagger 293 operational, holding steady in the storm. External crew rotating 5. Systems are green. Copy. Digging through, no issues. Wheel depth and speed adjusted for coal density. Positioned. Ready for direct load. Discharge boom aligned. Commence loading. Bed filling evenly. Rate exceeding 6,000 tons. Success.
See how I adjust the angle? Maximize the load, minimize the stress.
Right. And the conveyor?
I fine-tune it here. Smoother flow, less wear.
How do you know when to adjust?
You feel it. Experience.
These seals are holding strong. We're well past the design life now. Impressive. And the alignment is still perfect.
Let's check the data. This validates our practices.
Sharing this will set a new standard.
Bagger 293, advance to next bench. Truxel, half order. Flight 1, position locked. Group load. Dozer 2, trading dust down. Fleet synced. Productivity peak.
Production's holding at 240,000. Any system warnings?
Just a torque anomaly. Running diagnostics now. Conveyor load is spiking. I'll reroute power.
Good. Flag it for the next maintenance window.
On it. Ramp clear. Proceed down at 10%. Copy descending ramp. Steady on the curve. Ground is stable. Lower bench reached. Beginning operations.
Excellent work. Seam is active. Cabin temp holding steady at 72. All systems green. Copy that. Monitor oil temps. Heat index is 108. Confirmed. Fans at max. Production at 95%. Evening crew on site. Starting external checks. Load spiking. Sandstone. Slowing wheel in advance. Acknowledge. Crew check teeth for wear. Copy. Replacing 2 chip teeth now. Approach from the east. Stress down 20%. VFDs are syncing motor speeds to the load perfectly. And the regen braking is returning power on the boom down. Load shedding kicked in during peak. 18% less power. That's over 2 million saved. For average productivity, 17% above standard, the lead operator. Thank you. It's a team effort. For early detection of a mechanical issue, the second operator. Thank you. Glad I could help.
We restored the Bagger 293, setting a new standard in lifecycle management.
This case tree is for teaching life fleischman.
Observe the advanced maintenance protocols on the Bagger 293. These restoration insights will inform our future equipment designs. The Bagger 293's productivity makes these thick, overburden reserves viable.
This extends the mine life by 15 years.
It secures decades of jobs and ensures long-term reclamation.
Adjusting for the dip, steady engagement.
Confirmed. Seam dips at 12 degrees. Over.
Compensating, wheel at interface.
Rise ahead.
Following, precision recovery confirmed. Fault confirmed, initiating safe shutdown. Copy, we're en route with the spare contactor. It's the contactor, get the spare. Restart confirmed, operations resume. We celebrate 500,000 hours of operation, built on decades of dedication.
We expect another 100,000 hours reliable service. Success. This machine proves our commitment to the future.
Upgrading the core controls during the shutdown. The AR overlay is incredible. It's all right there. The predictive alert is spot on. This is the future. Watch this swing. It's all about counterweight and momentum.
So that's why the base is so wide?
Exactly. We're proud to pass this on. Thank you. We won't let you bound ground.
This study shows the Bagger 293 generates over $80 million in annual regional impact.
The mine workers are great for business.
This job gives us stability. We're grateful for the opportunities. For the Bagger 293, we plan autonomous upgrades, advanced sensing, and renewable integration to cut our carbon footprint.
As the active models, we're excited for this long-term vision and the opportunities it brings.
Availability is holding at 95, smooth as it gets.
Productivity is in the top 5%. Team's on fire.
Safety record's perfect, 5 million hours strong.
Energy efficiency up 28%.
And that's how Resurrecting Bagger 293 was recovered from the depths, restored with precision, and returned to prove. And American engineering doesn't just recover history, it keeps it working.